Many businesses out there all across Arizona shut down during this pandemic, and they could be reopening this Thursday. Maricopa, Pima, and Pinal counties all getting closer to meeting those certain benchmarks. And as ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw explains, several big names are already announcing their reopening plans.
Yeah, major movie theaters, huge gym chains, and then local bars. All are set to reopen Thursday or Friday. And after 2 months of empty tip jars and empty glasses, they're finally ready to get things pouring again.
For the past
24 years.
Switzerland has never been so silent.
And the last 2 months have been the hardest so far.
Owner Beth Johnson and her staff barely getting by.
I'm anxious to be able to pay the light bill and the rent.
Starting Friday, though,
we're ready.
She anticipates it'll be a little easier.
50% is 50% more than what we have.
Swizzle would be one of hundreds of bars reopening across Pima, Pinal, and Maricopa if the counties meet the state's moderate benchmark. Already, Harkin's announcing every movie theater in Arizona is reopening Friday. Lifetime Fitness and LA Fitness doing the same. Sunsplash water parks will also welcome back guests, but all must agree to operate at 50% or less and enforce the sanitation and mask requirements.
Will you go?
No.
Why not?
It's not safe, period.
While many are eager to grab a beer or a movie, others apprehensive about another spike.
If the bars and nightclubs open up and there is no compliance system in place, as happened in May and June, it's going to increase the community spread.
But we also have to survive. People need to work.
Beth is optimistic everyone will follow the rules and is eager to welcome back her regulars.
There's people I don't like that I miss.
Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.
Well, the state says if businesses aren't complying with the new guidelines, there will be strict enforcement, all in an effort to keep everyone safe.